Yo, what is up, everyone? Appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. Yes, let's go over it. Yo, what is up, guys? Appreciate you all for tuning in today. And yes, before I start, just make sure you all know, not financial advice, entertainment, educational. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Not financial advice, guys. But yeah, let's go over today. Today was obviously a great day. So far, and you know what? It's not even lunchtime yet. Obviously, yes, we did have QQQ, some SPY as well. I want to go over my thought process and look for some more trades, obviously. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice, entertainment, educational. Give me 1 second. I gotta get my pen. Yo, what is up, everyone? What's up? I'm pretty hyped today, pretty hyped this morning. So yes, this is what we did today. We had QQQ, we also had SPY. Caught a little bit of another trade, but we'll talk about that once my first take profit gets hit. But yeah, pretty much I'm 3 for 4 today, but not bad. So what we've seen here for the Qs, and this is what I saw. So this morning, and yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research. And all that I saw here, yes, there was a clear empty space. So there was basically a gap here, and I needed for it to be filled. And for us to actually do this, we needed a top wall and also a bottom wall as well. And what was this top wall that I was seeing? I seen a body candle closing directly at the same line, same with the bottom. This was an area of consolidation, and we ended up breaking above my consolidation area above this 439, and we tapped perfectly into my final take profit, which was where I saw resistance, which was there. Obviously, yes, the full move is done. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research. I'm done with this play. But yeah, as you can see, move happened. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. I look for the same setup each day. Same thing with SPY. What did we have with SPY? And it looks like SPY is trying to reach my final take profit, but yeah, I can definitely look at that. Yeah, no worries. I finally got my pin back too. It was on the massage shirt, but anyways. DJT, yeah, I can definitely go over that. We'll go over a lot more different ones as well. I want to see what AMD, NVIDIA, I didn't even know what NVIDIA was doing. But yeah, so my thought process here. Houston Daniels, what's up, man? Good to see you once again. Shout out to Terry for liking the live. Just remember, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, so please do your own research. Obviously, what do we see here? So I seen a clear, easy sell-off, so there was a big gap down. And this had no consolidation whatsoever. And I wanted to take this one up to the upside. And as you can see, what happened here? We had a consolidation area. So this consolidation area, we seen a body candle there and another body candle here, closing directly at the same line. And once we end up breaking above a level, and look what happened here. We broke and closed above this top floor here, which allowed us to go into this empty space, which hit my first target. And you guys may be wondering, why is that my first target? It's because that is the imbalance, and that's pretty much where price can end up rejecting. And as you can see, how did I get this from my final take profit to my entry? The literal middle, and that white line is going to be my imbalance. Obviously, this move is done. Not telling you guys to buy anything. We caught this inside the VIP Discord. It was great. So that was on SPY, QQQ. I did have another trade too. But yes, also CBNA, I did end up taking a small load on that. But yes, QQQ, SPY, and the other one did end up doing well. That was great. As you can see, empty space. We break above a Potter box. I go up into the level, and that's just pretty much it. What a great day. What a great day so far. I'm personally done with day trades. I'm not getting into any other trades. So anything that I say here, just guys, you have to know, not financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm only going over the Potter box and how I personally utilize it. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. All right, so now that we call this the upside, what am I seeing here? And yes, this looks absolutely amazing. Oh wait, hold on. So we do have empty space here. So yes, we see a clear, easy move up now. That I would love to take to the downside. But in order for me to do this one, I would need some structure. So I need a top wall, I need a bottom wall. So there's just nothing for us to do right here, right now. So right here, let's see. So that is on the cues. Honestly, I've been looking at the keys all morning, so let's just go to something different. We already caught that, so yeah, ended up working out well. Let's see. Let's go to... Let's see what coin is talking about. Oh, wow, coin. So, looks like this has already happened here. Well, okay. So right here, I think someone, yeah, we can go over SPY. Yeah, no worries. Foreign trades, thanks for liking the live. Thank you all for tuning back in. Thank you all so much. And Seer, thanks for the follows. All right, coin, what do we see here? So same exact thing, and obviously, what was this? This was a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering, and this is called our empty space. And this is exactly what we wanted to the upside. Obviously, what happened here? We did end up breaking above a top wall, a top level, targeting into the upside. So body candle, closing directly at the same line, and boom, what happens? Looks like, doesn't look like we touched our imbalance yet. So, oh yeah, so we're very close to the imbalance. Obviously, if I see a play like this, and I did already have this charted up and everything, obviously my imbalance is just 190.44. This is where price can typically come up and then reverse. But typically with these trades, let's just say, obviously we did have this already, set up, alerted, boom, we had this clear move down that we wanted to the upside. If I see it go up and, it already left me, I definitely do not want to be in this trade because that's a very big stop loss. Obviously, that looks fairly amazing. You see the empty space being filled. So what, last week, the week before that, we did have a lot of, sell-offs, all that good stuff. So now we're just, balancing out the market right now. Can you tell me what Roblox has range for? Yeah, Jojo, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Scuba Steve, what's up? And yeah, let me go over, yeah. So I think this is what, RBLX? RBLX, yeah, no worries. Dude, man, I saw that, bro. Honestly, I wish I could show, everyone else, but I can't show anything. They all have to do their own research. But man, good work, bro. Good work, man. I saw that this morning. I was like, wow, that was great. So yeah, keep up that good work. So that was on what? Coin. So let me go to AMD really quickly. AMD. And let's see. So same thing here. What are we seeing here? Honestly, I don't really see anything that I want here. Sound, let me see, sound, ORCL. No, I don't really care about that. 1 second. All right. Actually, yeah, let's go to RBLX. Let's see what the damage is there. All right, so right here, this is what I have. I think we have this to the upside, if I believe. I'm believing right here. So, yeah, this is what I have here. We do have empty space, so yeah, I can do SPY. Yeah, I can do SPY right after this one. I'll go back over it. Yeah, no worries at all. No worries. All right, so for Roblox, we have, this is the big move that I'm waiting for. We have a clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I want directly to the upside. Obviously, right now, what do we need? Oh, we already have the top wall, so we're basically waiting. This may take a while, though. 56. Let me see. So is that, I'm pretty sure that's for probably a lower time frame. Let's see. So yeah, lower time frame. Personally, I wouldn't want to take it on a lower time frame. I just would want to take it on that higher time frame though. But yeah, still doesn't look bad. Looks like we can end up keep going up. But yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, please, please do your own research. But yeah, we'll go over SPY again. No worries. And pretty much SPY, I'm done with this trade. I only have runners pretty much, but as you can see, what do we see here? We had this clear empty space move down of all these red candles. We ended up breaking above my level, my wall, so we already got into this play a long time ago. So I'm pretty much done with this. I'm not telling you guys to do anything. Please don't chase, don't do anything. So Jojo, to be honest, I will be honest, if I'm like, let's just say if I'm up in profit and I don't know when to sell, that's probably an indication maybe I should end up trimming a little bit and leave some runners. So Obviously not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, of course. At 1 p.m. sharp. We may. But we'll just have to see. Obviously, yes, we already had this, so call this out. Let's see for SPY. And yes, this was in the morning. So ASCII QQQ, call this out 9:39 a.m. Was looking for calls. Also for SPY calls as well. And this was on SPY. We had this clear move down right here. And then boom. We break above a wall, we go up and tap. Obviously SPY is way up even more. As you see, the Qs right here, clear move down. We do end up breaking above this level. We go up and tap. So we did end up having those 2 trades today. After Tesla earnings crash. Dude, honestly, yeah, I would definitely have to do a lot of research on that too as well. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. Please, please, please do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm done trading until end of day. Yo, Zach, thanks for sharing the live. Really appreciate it. So that is on SPY. Hold on, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Yo, I'm back. I am back. I swear I'm back. I'm here. Appreciate y'all for sticking back. And as well, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So yes, as you can see, SPY. We did end up going over this one already. We had the empty space. We end up breaking and closing above my wall. This allowed us an entry to the upside, and that ended up happening. Obviously, yes, that is pretty much done. Netflix has numbers are click double. Dude, yeah, I'll take a look at Netflix too. Yeah, no worries. NFLX. But yeah, Tesla was already the one that we did end up having. So Tesla was what, yesterday? We did. Oh wow. So looks like I already had a trade on this one. As you can see, yeah, we had. I know I didn't even take this one. I don't even remember. I think I did this morning. But as you can see, what do we have here? So same exact thing. I'm looking for empty space. So each trade, if you're in my Discord or if you're planning on joining my Discord, I use the same method for each and every trade. I don't do anything else. As you can see, what happened today? So this was all today. As you can see, what do you see? Clear, easy move down. We end up breaking above my level. They all look the same, right? So SPY, Qs, obviously Qs and SPY, they, look pretty much alike. But as you can see, empty space, clear, easy move down that we would love to take to the upside. Obviously, we ended up pushing above, touching into my first take profit. Now we're bouncing on that imbalance area. So that is on Tesla. Let's go to some more trades. Let me see what NVIDIA is talking about. Let's see what it's doing here. Let's go to a higher time frame, and we'll work our way down. So yes, I start on the highest time, or not the highest, but a 24-hour time frame, the weekly time frame, and I work my way down. Pins on the 1 hour. Dude, actually look at it on a 24-hour chart. I think it's on pins. Yeah, we'll definitely look at it too as well. But yeah, that 1 hour, I think I seen it earlier. But yeah, so NVIDIA, I don't see anything that I like here. So I would go down to a lower time frame and try to break this one down. Obviously, yes, if I don't see anything here, we just scroll down. Maybe the 4 hour looks really good. Honestly, the 4 hour doesn't look bad. So let me see. 101, 104. Okay, yeah, so same thing here. This is what I'm looking for. And yes, we can end up dropping down below. There is a little empty space down here than that level. But as you can see, what is this? This is also another top wall and a bottom wall. So I'm looking for empty space and Potter boxes each and every day. I don't change anything at all. So yes, guys, what are we seeing here? So the top wall that I'm seeing, I see body candle, closing directly at that same line. And as you can see, right here, right now, there is a consolidation area. So we are consolidating in between these two candles, and there is just nothing for us to do. If we end up breaking above this 101.43 area, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. And, yo, thanks for more trades. Really appreciate it. And Kenzie, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it as well. And also, in the middle, what is this? Clear empty space. There is just nothing for us to actually, you know, stop us. Same thing with Walmart. I mean, not Walmart. SPY and the Qs. We had empty space. We had a wall that we had to break over. And once we break over a wall, we're targeting into the next area of consolidation. And I do this every single day. So yes, you can join the Discord. Link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. The VIP chat is where we give out signals and more information. Obviously, yes, please do your own research before doing anything. So, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Can you look at Walmart? Actually, yeah, I can definitely do that. Yeah, no worries. So, WMC. And yes, I do have a discount code for the VIP. So, either DM me for that or you can see that inside of the free chat. So, Netflix and WMT. Yeah, we'll definitely look at that. Very thin volume. Yeah, a lot of, well, not a lot, but, you know, some of these definitely have low volume as well. But, yeah, let me look at Netflix really quickly. And then we'll go to, oh, wow. So, looks like Netflix said wanted to go this way. Wait, hold on. I think I had something on Netflix earlier. All right, looks like we are, give me one second. All right, yeah, we're good. So yes, same thing here. Let's go to a weekly chart and try to break this one down. Oh wow, looks like obviously only two possible outcomes. Either it's gonna go up or go down. But yeah, that looks fairly decent. Obviously, I don't want to take a trade like this just because I see it at another high. But let's see. 24-hour looks really good, I'm not gonna lie to you. So yes, we have a lot of empty space that is forming, so I would just need a top wall, bottom wall as well. But right now, I definitely don't want to take it. I'm just gonna sit on my hands. Plus I'm pretty much done until the end of the day. So yes, if you're in my Discord, we do end of day swing trades, and the swing trades is, you know, simply our bread and butter. But I have fell in love with QQ and SPY the last couple months probably. So yes, that was on Netflix as well. Let's go to, let me see. Yeah, let's see what Pence is talking about here. So yes, I'm looking for the same trade each and every day. I don't change anything at all. So yeah, let's keep going here. And yo, Cam, look at this, man. So I know that we're all the way at this 24.30 area, but let's scroll over here. Let's just see what we have. So I kind of just broken this down. Let me go ahead and redo this, and, you know, have my, so same thing here. What am I seeing? So a clear, easy move up of all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. Boom. All these green candles, no red candles interfering. All that I'm needing is a top wall and also a bottom wall. That look really good. So this bottom wall and top wall, I'm using points of contact. So no, I'm not just drawing a random box. No, I have points of contact. And the points of contact that look really good, I'm looking for 2 points of contact or more. So I see a body candle, body wick, and another body wick closing at the same line. And same thing with this bottom. Body wick, body candle, and also another body candle as well, closing directly at that same line. We end up breaking under this wall. So yes, this is where buyers are gaining control. So buyer's job is to keep price pushing up. And if we do end up breaking under that level, I don't see any resistance until this 21.92 area. And that looks absolutely decent to me. Not bad at all. So right now, what are we seeing? Empty space where there are no candles. As you can see, first take profit would still be the middle of the move from the entry to the exit. And that's pretty much how I do all of my trades each and every day. And I don't change it whatsoever. None at all. And as you can see, where are we at right now? We are currently, let's see. We are currently, you know, consolidating. So there's just nothing for me to do except for just wait. And I'm going to actually place my alert. So right now, yes. Hopefully we can get that this week. But we might have to just to see a better, clearer view for sure. So that is on what? Pins? That looks really good. Maybe, yeah, I can definitely do it on a 1 hour too. Yeah, okay, I can definitely see what you're saying. Dude, yeah, that 24-hour chart just looks amazing. Yeah, Qs, yeah, I could go over the Qs again, and man, what we did on the Qs today was actually wild. So actually, I'm not gonna say it's wild. It's like a daily thing, pretty much. But yeah, it's great. MSTR, yeah, no worries. And coin, yeah, let's see what coin's doing. And MSTR, got you, man. No worries. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Let's keep on going. Yeah, let's do it. Actually, you know what? Let me see what coin is doing really quickly. 1 second here. Oh yeah, so coin pretty much is very close to that first take profit. I think we almost tapped it. So yeah, we were like very, very close to the imbalance. We were like, let me see, like maybe 50 cents off. No worries though. Obviously I'm not in that trade. I'm not into any of these trades. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research. Please, please, please. But yeah, let's keep them going. So the Qs, obviously, you know, we had the Qs a little bit earlier today. We did end up, you know, snagging that. That ended up being great for us. Personally, I don't see anything else. So we did have, you know, a top wall. We did have a bottom wall as well. And we did go up and tap. So yes, we had this top, we had this bottom here. And we ended up breaking outside this wall, allowing us to target into this empty space up here. Obviously, yes, we are going up. Looks like we're tapping a little bit more, but right now, I'm definitely done with this play. And yes, you can see for SPY, clear move down. So we call it, and I called this out in the VIP chat. So yes, VIP Discord, they did end up getting this 939. Gave them instructions. Boom, SPY. So SPY, we see the clear move down. We end up breaking above a wall. So we close above. That allows us to go up to the empty space. So same thing with the Qs. Clear move down. No consolidation. We end up breaking above a wall, a level. We go up. Yo, what's up? What's up? Greetings. How are you today? Good to see you. Good to see you. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Let me see what SPY is doing. Let's see. Man, oh man, hold on. I gotta screenshot this. I gotta tell the members. Hopefully they already know, but yeah. Let me go ahead and yeah. Let's see what the damage is here. 1 second. Screenshot time. All right, cool. All right, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I can't show you anything, only the charts, guys. So please do your own research. Hold on. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So yeah. Do you provide funding? So I do not provide any financial advice. I don't provide any of that. I'm only going over my I'm going over the Potter Box and how I personally utilize it. The only thing that I have is a Discord. So I have a free Discord. Link is in the bio. I also have a VIP chat. So this is where I give out signals, and this is where I call out QQ and SPY. But no, I do not give. There's not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. But yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. If you want to see the work that we do, obviously I can't show you here, but if you guys want to see, yeah. Oh man, let's go. Final TP, let's go. Okay, my bad, guys. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. Another screenshot. Hold on, I gotta TP, final TP. Let's go, guys. Hold on 1 second here. 1 second. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so yes, finally, it finally tapped. Let's freaking go, man. All right, yeah, give me a second, give me a second. Give me a second. All right, yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. So yes, what do we have here? Same thing here, every single day. Potter box, or Potter box here, and then we have the envy space above us, and we end up breaking above. Boom, that was that. And yes, let's keep on going now. That was on SPY. Let's go to some more trades. And yes, guys, thanks so much for the follows. Really appreciate it. Let's go, let's go. 3 for 4 today, huh? That's great. So we had QQ, SPY. We had a couple other ones as well, but we'll talk about those soon. Wow, wow. Freaking crazy, freaking crazy. So MSCR, let's go over this, and let's go. Wow, a lot of things are ending up. So right now, I will be completely honest. Let's see. All right. So what I see here, still same thing. Let me make sure the VIP chat's all good. Yeah, we're good, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So in the VIP chat, you guys see it as well. Man, VIP, we went absolutely wild. So let's go, man. Shout out to the members. So right now, what am I seeing here? And yeah, sorry guys, I'm a little bit excited right now. All right, so what do we see here? And yes, guys, please, guys and gals, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Obviously, what is this first thing we see? Clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And all that I'm needing is top wall, bottom wall. So beautiful wall there. Beautiful bottom wall here. And as you can see, what do we see here? So body candle, wick, and another wick closing directly at the same line. And if we end up breaking above this level, I can see us going up to that level there. Obviously, yes, we are consolidating. Probably, there's really nothing for us to do right now, except for just wait. So not bad, not bad. MSTR, yeah. Wow, let's go SPY, let's go Qs. Hold on, I'm just looking. I just have to look. Let's go, man. Let's go. Hopefully the team members did end up listening. But anyways, yeah, let's keep on going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep swimming. But man, what a crazy, crazy time. Yeah, man. So yeah, that's why I'm like, you know what? We gotta just get in and get out when we can. And that's just pretty much it for me. And yes, guys, let's keep on going. Let's go to another time frame. Let's go to something else. Let's go to, hold on 1 second here. Let me write this down. I gotta write all this down here. TLCR. And bro, the crazy thing is, I was thinking about getting, buying a new Tesla, like, I think like 6 months ago, but I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't, but you know, it's cool. Teslas are still pretty cool, but you know, definitely nothing that it's really exciting to me. All right, yeah, let's see. Zon, we have a whole bunch of trades. Oh, that looks fairly decent as well. Oh, a lot of these trades look good. Even Starbucks. So yeah, Starbucks is, you know, another trade that I am waiting for. Can you look at Amazon? Yes, I can look at Amazon as well. But yeah, there's a lot of great things to actually look at for sure. And that is, let's see. So Starbucks. And thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it, guys and gals. Really appreciate it. So the first thing that I'm seeing here is this clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. So yes, clear, push down with all of these red candles. And this has no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. Obviously, yes, what do we need? We need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So top wall that I'm seeing, points of contact, and also this bottom as well. So top wall, let's see, let's look. Body wick, and also a body candle closing directly at the same line with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, you know, it's like, why would you, out of every stock, why would you want to trade Starbucks? What is so important about it? Well, obviously, you know, Starbucks, we have the empty space. So, in other words, we see a clear, easy move down of all of these red candles. And this has no consolidation. And this is exactly what I want to target to the upside. Obviously, yes, let's just say we do end up breaking and having a candle body closing above this 89.20 area. I'm looking for the next resistance, and I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here. And as you can see, why did I choose that? It's because right now, what are we targeting? We see candles with no consolidation, so a very big move down with no green candles interfering. And if we end up breaking above this top wall, there is no resistance, so make that perfect. No resistance until we see this green candle here. And yes, this is also another Potter box. This is another top wall, bottom wall here as well. That look absolutely amazing. And yeah, it looks obviously so good. But yes, you all have to do your own research and not financial advice at all. So please do your own research, of course. Starbucks being replaced by... Dude, I actually haven't heard of that. So yeah, I'll have to take a look and research that as well. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And this middle of this move is the imbalance. So from my entry to my exit, the imbalance. So right now, what are we doing? We are doing nothing. What have you made today? So today, this is what we had here. Obviously, I called out 2 plays from my VIP chat. So this was just this morning. Obviously, we had another swing that we did end up having as well. So as you can see, we had QQ calls. I called this out at 9:30 for the VIP. And we also had SPY calls as well. And let's look. We had this clear move down. This was the before. And also the aftermath. So before, we end up breaking above my level, my wall. But honestly, yes, SPY did end up hitting my final take profit just 5 minutes ago. So let's see. So 1 hour. So hold on, give me a second here. And yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over charts and examples. You all have to do your own research. So please, not financial advice. So yes, we had this clear move down. We ended up breaking and closing above this wall, and that ended up working out perfectly. Obviously, we did have SPY, and then we had the Qs. Qs as well, clear move up. We did end up breaking above that wall. So yes, I'll do a recap on that a little bit later today, a little video of my whole thought process with everything. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, all that good stuff. Oh, so yes. SPY. It was a great trade. Obviously, we had a couple other ones. I didn't miss on one, though. But right now, yeah, I'm definitely not getting into anything. I'm done with all these trades. And yes, we focus on end-of-day swing trades. So our main focus is the end-of-day swings. But, like I said earlier, I do like to, go the extra mile and find a couple of day trades for the team members, for the VIP chat, and that's pretty much it. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the chat, if you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals, all that good stuff. I have a discount code going right now for it that will be ending probably today. But yes, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, before you do anything, do your own research as well. So CVNA. So CVNA was actually the one I did end up losing on. CVNA and SCHD. Yeah, let me look at that. All right, yeah. So CVNA, we'll go over this one. And I actually had this wall here. But yeah, this would have been, I would have made some crazy money on calls. But anyways, so we had this clear empty space move down, right? And this is pretty much what I was targeting here. We did end up trotting down a bit, but then we ended up reversing. So I got out immediately. But as you can see, let's see here. I think I had like a, ooh, yeah, there is a very crazy move on this as well. When you decide on swinging for end of day, do you look for stuff that's already broken the box? So that's a very good question. So yes, I typically look for a break outside of my wall, or I look for an early punchback entry. So that white line, so let's just see this right here. So a punchback, this white line, it gives me early entries. Obviously, I haven't really taught the live this as well, but I definitely will as well. Don't you look at volume anymore? So I will be honest, I don't use anything on my charts. I don't have any indicators, no volume, anything like that. Obviously, yes, I look at the volume in the contracts. I look at all the volume in the contracts and all that good stuff. But on my charts, I don't really have anything, no indicators. All I use is a Potter box and a horizontal line. And those are the two things that I personally need in order for me to take trades. Obviously, even today, you can see, obviously I did, end up looking at, the volume in these contracts, make sure they were good. Clear move down, we went up, tapped up, but, QEQ, same thing. So there's no volume, there's just nothing on my charts. And I look for the same thing each and every day. So, like, literally each and every day. This was also yesterday. Clear move up, we end up breaking below the wall. So same thing with the Qs. We go down and tap. But yes, guys, when do we get into the QQ puts? So yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. So you all have to do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, please, please do your own research. How do you record your entry process to when you exit on the chart? So basically, Tony, so that's a very good question. So let's just go over this example here. So how do I know when to get in? How do I know when to get out? I have my target set. I have my entry set. Actually, SPY was actually a very good example here. So no worries, Tony. I got you, my guy. Let me go to I think we did it on a 1 hour. Yeah, we did it on a 1 hour chart. And let's see here. One second. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm going over the charts. I'm not doing anything else. I am not getting into any of these trades right now. So please do your own research. And yes, what do we see here? So the first thing that I, pretty much seen was the clear sell-off. So we had a gap, and then we had this red candle here, and this is called our empty space. So this is where we have no consolidation. And I'm targeting to consolidation. And before we could even touch this first take profit and second take profit, we have to obviously break it down. So, actually, you know what? We'll put it in replay. So, since this play is already done, since I already, did that already, this is what we had here. We had a top wall. We also had a bottom wall here as well. And what do we have? So, top wall, body candle, wick. They're all closing at the same line. We end up breaking above this level here. I don't see any resistance until that red candle there, or this green candle here. And yes, this is my final take profit. So where I don't see resistance, this is what I'm targeting until I see resistance right here. Obviously, you can see what happens. We can, scroll through. 1 second here. One second. All right, so, and this is only a 1 hour chart. This is, pretty self-explanatory. We ended up breaking, and closing about this. We broke and closed above this wall here. And then that allowed us an entry above to the upside. I had my final take profit. This is where I take out all my contracts. But my first take profit was the middle of the move. And this middle of this move was the imbalance. This is where I typically trim most contracts, leaving the runners. But yeah, that was just a replay. But yeah, as you can see, this was the before and after. And yes, this was at, obviously you can see this happened at what, 9:34, so I called this out at 9:30. Oh, actually that was from yesterday, so this was from today. So, boom. Called this out at 9:39. Was looking at calls here, Qs and SPY. And it had the levels. Obviously, we had the empty space. We end up breaking above a wall. So we had a candle body closure. We went up and targeted. So same thing here. Clear move down of no consolidation. We have an area of consolidation we need to break over. We end up breaking above that. We go up and tap. And this all happened today. And I call this out for the VIP Discord. If you want to see what we do inside the Discord, you can look at it. Link is in the bio. You can look at the free chat. Honestly, yes, we do have the VIP chat. But personally, I would just join the free chat, see how you like it. You don't even have to join if you don't want to. But yeah, if you are curious, we do have a very good team, very good community as well. Thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. And yes, I do have a discount code going for the VIP chat right now. So either DM me for that, or you can look at it in the free chat. But yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm only going over the charts. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, before you do anything, you have to do your own research, of course. And I know I, spamming that over and over again, but yes, you all have to do your own research. But anyways, now let's keep going. What do we see here? So same exact thing here, guys. And we caught this to the upside. But right now, the 30-minute chart, this looks really, really amazing. What is this? We see this clear, easy move up. All of these green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. But what is this right here? So yes, we have the empty space. This looks fairly amazing. I love it. But we do not have a consolidation area. We do not have a box. So there is literally nothing for me to do right now, except for wait. So what exactly would I be waiting for? I would wait for a top wall and a bottom wall to form. So as you can see, let's just say we have a bottom wall here, and we have a top wall here. And we have candles consolidating in between these two levels. This is going to be my consolidation area that needs to be broken in order for me to take this to the downside. So let's just say at some point in time we have a top wall, bottom wall, we end up breaking, closing under that, and then we have another candle here, another candle there. You can see, like, yes, we want the empty space. Obviously, I'm not an artist, so my circles look terrible. Feel free to roast me. But yeah, anyways, yes, clear move up, but we just need some structure for us to take this to the downside as well. As you can see, let me go ahead and turn this twerking music on. It's going to turn on the next playlist. So yeah, we're good. Alright, yeah, that was on SPY. I kind of don't want to go over that right now. Let's keep on going to some more trades, and let's see if there's anything that we... Ooh, wow. So yes, another good example here, and I honestly forgot about this. This is going to be another great one. It's going to be greatest three of them. So, what do we see here? We see... Let's see here. And yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. And right now, what is this here? And yes, obviously I know we're at this 348 area. So there's just no entry for us whatsoever. But I should have taken dollar. So yeah, let's look at dollar. Let's look at that actually. So yeah, dollar. So this is okay. I will be honest with you guys. This is the one I did end up swinging, and as you can see, yes, empty space. So same thing there. Obviously my first take profit hasn't been hit yet, so definitely not gonna go over that right now. But yes, all in the VIP chat. Like, we do signals, we do entries, exits, all that good stuff. But yes, you guys can join. Link is in the bio. We have a discount code going as well. But make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, guys, do your own research as well. Yeah, we go over CVNA. CVNA was the only one that didn't work out for me. I could have gotten the calls though. CVNA, yeah, let me do that. All right, so this looks really good. I will be completely honest. So yes, clear, easy move down. All these red candles with no green candles interfering. And what do we need? We need a top wall and a bottom wall. So yes, all of us. As you can see, what is this here? We have a body candle and another body candle closing directly at the same line, so directly at the same wick, same level. And this is where price is having a hard time getting over. Same thing with this bottom. So I'm looking for points of contact each and every day. So body candle and also a wick closing directly at the same line. And right now we're consolidating in between these two levels. And buyers are controlling the bottom floor. So buyer's job is to keep price pushing up, and seller's job is to keep price pushing down. So once we do end up getting back above this wall and we break above, I need sellers to get exhausted and for buyers to step in. So a candle body closure above this wall. And I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here. And what is this? This is also another area of consolidation that I am clearly seeing, obviously. So yes, we aren't trading from, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. So right now, there's just nothing for us to do except for wait. First take profit would still be the middle of the move, and that is from my entry to the exit. So right now, yes, what are we doing right now? Absolutely nothing. I set my targets, I set my play up. Once it decides to happen, that's when we get in. But right now, we aren't even anywhere close. So I definitely would not be doing anything whatsoever, except for just waiting. But yeah, that looks really good for the future. But definitely not right now. Let's look at Disney really quickly. I think you guys and gals wanted me to see Disney. So yeah, same thing here. I think we had this as well. Hold on, let me get rehydrated. Let me drink some coconut water, so I can continue yapping. No, I'm kidding. But yes, man, we had a crazy day inside the Discord. Crazy 2 days. So ready for some end of day swings. So yes, our day trading, or our Discord is focused on swing trades. But yes, I do go over the extra mile for my VIP Discord to find some day trades. And yes, that ended up working out great today. All right, so my bad. Yeah, that was amazing. That was great. So right here, what do we have here? Are there any stocks that move different than SPY and Qs? I would say, obviously, yes, there are a lot of stocks, ETFs that do move a lot differently. But for day trading, I personally would just stick with SPY, QQ, and also NVIDIA. But obviously, yes, do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, there's many stocks that move different than QQ and SPY. Yes, they can have influences with them, but yeah, they have different setups as well. So yes, what do we have here? Top wall. We also have a bottom wall here as well. And what do we have? So top wall. It's just not a random box boxing up everything. We have body wick and also another body wick closing directly at that same line. If we do end up breaking above this level here, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle up here, which looks absolutely positively amazing. What is this right here? Another box. So, yeah, I got you. I can do testing for you. It's fantastic. What's up? What's up? Wow, we had a crazy day in the Discord so far. Man, I love the Qs. I don't know why, but I just do, man. And he's actually, Fantastic's actually in the Discord too. He's actually one of the VIP members. So as you can see, what do we have here? Clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. Obviously, we have to wait. There's no entry. You all have to do your own research. But yes, top wall, bottom wall, inside of the middle will be my first take profit. So that is going to be, where I typically trim those contracts, leaving the runners. And I do this every single day. I do not change anything at all. As you can see, yes, that looks fairly decent, looks really good. So I'm just going to wait on that. Yes, we can have empty space here. That can be cleared, but, we'll just have to wait, or I will, at least. So yeah, let's keep on going. So let's see. Honestly, let's see what UPS is talking about here. Oh wow, yeah, UPS does look pretty good. UPS. So as you can see, right now, wow, this looks great. It's 5 of them for sure. So as you can see, same thing. Let's go ahead and break this one down. I have been waiting on this one for quite a while. And what is this? We see a clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering, guys. And yes, this is exactly what I like to the upside. Obviously, we all need a top wall and a bottom wall as well. So the top wall that I'm seeing and also this bottom wall. Points of contact. So these, and yes, I'll do Tesla as well right after this one. I got you, fantastic. Top wall I'm seeing, body candle, body wick closing at that same line. We end up breaking above that level. I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here. And that looks absolutely amazing. So right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely, positively nothing whatsoever. First take profit would still be the middle of the move from my entry to my exit. And that is the imbalance. This is where we typically trim those contracts. So yes, same thing with what happened today with QQ and SPY. And yes, I did end up calling this out for the VIP chat. QQ and SPY calls. We had a clear move down. We set our alert, so we had a top wall and bottom wall set. All we waited for was a break and candle close right above this wall. And we tapped into the empty space. Same thing with Qs. We set our targets, and we waited for our play to happen. We waited for our levels to break. We ended up breaking, and we went up target to the upside. So yes, and if you guys want to see the type of work that we do inside of the Discord, you can look at the games page, you can look at the testimonials page, and obviously I wish I could show you here, but I can't show you. You all have to do your own research, not financial advice. Yo, Mel, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Thank you so much, guys. But yeah, right now we're in a wait game, and I do all my setups just like this. I don't change anything whatsoever. But yeah, if we can get that, yeah, that looks really good. Just not right now, of course. Oh, what was this? I don't even remember doing Google, but yeah, it looks like another play did end up. Okay, yeah, we did. Okay, so same thing here. What do we have? And do the same thing each and every day. I don't change anything. And yes, if you are on my VIP Discord, if you're planning on joining, we will have end of day swings, so we will get in some swings at the end of the day. And we will get ready for tomorrow for some more day trades as well. And yes, I do have a discount code that will possibly be ending today. Either DM me for the discount code, or you can look in the free chat as well for it. Or you don't even have to do that. I'm live every day, so you don't even have to join the Discord if you don't want to. But yeah, what do we see here? Clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I wanted to the downside. But please, guys, yes, remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So before you do anything, please do your own research. Obviously, yes, what happened here? We had the empty space that we were targeting. We broke down below this level, this wall. We went down and tapped. And obviously, final take profit didn't hit, but the first take profit did. And that's all that really mattered. Can see something here too. Oh, a nice punchback, honestly. So, same thing here. What am I seeing? And I had the bottom for this box for this bottom, and we also have this for the top. And what do we have here? Body wick, body candle, closing directly at the same line. We end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance until this 154.53, which looks absolutely amazing positively. Empty space there. But right now, yes, we can't do anything. We have consolidation, still forming. So there's just nothing for us to do right now, except for wait and chill. So right now, there's nothing for me to do. So I'm using the Potter box with the empty space. So shout out to Potter Stocks PBS. Make sure to go give them a follow. All that good stuff. But yes, Potter box, empty space. I use an area of consolidation, and I'm basically targeting into an area of no consolidation. Obviously, yes, all of my charts look the same. This was today. SPY, empty space, clear move up. We go up tap, Qs. Like I can even show you, like I don't even trade just SPY on the Qs. Those are just day trades, but it could be on literally anything, any time frame, and we mainly do swing trades at the end of the day. As you can see, we have this clear move down, all these red candles with no green candles interfering. We end up breaking above the wall at the end of the day, and the end of the day is when I get into trades. Obviously, market moves after hours, boom, clear move up. So yes, a lot of these trades that I do end up doing will be at the end of the day, and that's where, we mostly get into, our entries. I want to show you some more charts, like GME, let's look. We had clear empty space, so there is no consolidation here. We end up breaking outside of consolidation. We go up and tap. So these are swing trades. Obviously, NU, clear move down of no consolidation. Right here, you can see these candles are consolidating in between these two levels. We end up breaking above a wall or level. I'm targeting where there is no consolidation, which is right there. So it doesn't matter. Yes, I can only show you the charts. You all have to do your own research. Please do your own research. Not financial advice. Not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. So yes, Whiskey Golden, what's up, dude? Yeah, I can do PLCR. Good to see you again, my guy. Good to see you. So yeah, same thing here. Clear, easy move up with all these green candles. We have a bottom wall, so we have a box that we need to break. And, as you can see, we do end up breaking under the wall and tapping to the empty space. So this is what I use every single day. If you are interested in joining the VIP Discord, obviously I would suggest just joining the free chat. But you can even ask the members, like I keep the same setup each day. Either my play is going to work or it's not. I have my set stop loss, and we just keep on going. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But yeah, we do have some more trades that I will be getting into later today, just not right now. What about when your candles close at your take profit? Do you still take the trade? So, I will be honest. So let's just say for Google here, I do like to time it correctly. So I do, have correct timing, and I've been working on my timing pretty much. So I pretty much wait for it, and let's go over SPY, actually. So SPY, we'll go over SPY really quickly. Let me go ahead and redo this box. So we had the top wall there. We have this bottom wall here. Give me a second. Just give me a second. Let me go ahead and... Alright, so for this example we had, as you can see, we had, this was all today. So we had a clear move down of, you know, no consolidation, and we had this red candle. So this is exactly what we wanted to target to the upside. And as you can see, I did end up having this, obviously for the VIP Discord, you guys can see that. One second here. So boom, that was what, SPY calls, and you can see the before and the aftermath. But let's see, we had a clear consolidation area, and I was looking for a break on a 1 hour candle closure. So we did end up breaking and closing above on a 1 hour candle closure. Yes, you could have an early punchback entry at this 520 area because we punched out, punched back in. But I do like to have full entries above, you know, once we break out. So yeah, definitely a punchback, man. So, you know, those punchbacks does, you know, save us a lot more time and, you know, money for sure. So as you can see, we did end up breaking above this wall here, which allowed me a early entry, or not early entry, but a, you know, nice entry to the upside, targeting into the empty space. And let's just say for the Qs. So for the Qs example, this one. So this one closed above. So I kind of timed this one perfectly. So we ended up breaking and having a candle close, or we closed above and right at my first take profit. So if we end up closing at my take profit, I definitely don't want to take the trade because that trade has already happened, right? So this is why you can go down to a lower time frame and break it down. Obviously, I've seen it, you know, for this play at least, I've seen it on a lower time frame. We were holding above this level. Obviously, higher time frame analysis, lower time frame entry. You obviously could have, you know, got in on a 5-minute chart. You could have gotten in on a 2-minute, 1-minute, you know, just see if what's, you know, happening on a lower time frame, and then you can attack there. But yes, I've seen it holding above, and I don't usually get in once we break it. I usually wait for it to hold or for us to close above, and I've seen us holding above very nicely. I've seen, you know, the volume pushing in towards into the, for the Qs, and that's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna, you know, get in for that. But yes, that was a long time ago. Not telling you guys to enter into anything. Please do your own research. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. You have to do your own research. This was obviously earlier today, and I'm going over my own analysis and what the VIP Discord and I did today. So yeah, that ended up working out amazing, as you can see. Obviously, yes, we did end up going further than my final take profit, which is perfectly fine. And let's just say, if I do end up taking out in my final take profit, and it goes up even higher, will I be mad? No. Will I wish I was in? Yes, of course. But once my first take profit ends up getting hit, that's exactly when I chill. 1 second here. One second, guys. Sorry, I was taking some medicine. All right, so let's keep on going. So yeah, that was on the Q today. I think we went like 3 for 4 inside of the VIP chat today. So yeah, it did end up working amazing, working well. But yes, if a candle ends up closing, so let's just say if I have an alert set and, you know, we are very close to my first take profit, or we close above, I definitely don't want to chase that trade because that's going to be a very big stop loss. And obviously, I just don't want a very big stop loss when I am taking a trade into consideration. So yes, let's keep on going. So we had SPY, we had the Qs. Honestly, they look just so beautiful, and you know, I just want to keep looking at them. But yeah, that ended up working out great. That ended up working out amazing. Yo, thanks for the likes. Yo, thanks so much. Really appreciate it. So yeah, let's keep on going. So that was on SPY. So same thing here. What do we see? And yes, if you are in my VIP chat, I will be in there last hour giving swing entries. If you do want to join, link is in the bio as well. Yeah, no worries, Quincy. Yeah, no worries at all. So yeah, I pretty much just don't chase. If I see a play that's already happened, I just move on. No matter how good it looks, I just move on and go to the next play. Obviously, if I do end up chasing a play, it'll be more of a YOLO entry, but that's just pretty much it for me. But yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, so please, please, please do your own research. But I'm not going to lie to you, that does look pretty fire. So we did obviously catch this to the upside. We do have the downside as well that we can end up catching if we can end up making a top wall and also a bottom wall as well. But yes, guys, I will be getting off now. I really appreciate it so much for all tuning in. I will do another live before market close, of course. And yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. We have the VIP chat where we give signals. I do have a discount code that will be ending possibly today as well. So yes, either DM me for that or you can look in the free chat. But yes, thank you guys so much. Have a blessed one. I will see you on live later. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.